Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at a lady's 31mm two-tone yellow gold and stainless steel Rolex Datejust 31. This one on a Jubilee bracelet. The model reference number for this watch is 278273, and we are looking at a white Roman dial today. Now, the current retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $10,700 US. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 31mm is a ladies' mid-size watch at 31mm. It measures just to the case size here between my thumb and my pointer finger here. That's 31mm. It's been the most popular size for most ladies, and it's noticeably larger than its 28mm counterpart. Now, this case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Now, the fluted bezel here, it's on top of the watch, is crafted in 18 karat yellow gold and gives this watch that Rolex look. Obviously, this is something you can't mistake for a Rolex, just based upon what we've seen in the past. Now, you can get this watch with a diamond bezel, but it adds another $6,350 to the cost. Now, going into the dial, we're actually looking at this beautiful white dial with Roman hour markers, sword-shaped hour and minute hands. Now, the Roman dial does not have lume on hour markers or the hand, so you cannot see this dial very well in the dark or low light conditions. If you want something with lume on it, you're going to have to look for an index dial where the hour markers and the hour and minute hands have lume on them, and then you'll have an easy time seeing this in the dark. You can see the date here on the 3 o'clock position of a window. It's right under the Cyclops lens. The Cyclops magnification window magnifies the window about 2.5 times its original size for UZ viewing. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out can change the date. You can see me cycle through the date window here at the 3 o'clock position of the dial. Third position out, we'll be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hands set, you can go ahead and press down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. Now, the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 2236. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds functions. Power reserve is about 55 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it up on a Monday morning, it will still be keeping time. The movement of your wrist is going to be able to power this watch while it's on your wrist as well, being that it's a self-winding watch. Now, under the bracelet that holds this watch, we are looking at a stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold Jubilee bracelet with a half polish. Beautiful bracelet. Has high polished center links. 3 links in the center, and a satin finish on the outer stainless steel links. The bracelet is opened and closed through a concealed folding crown clasp. You can see here. You can grab the crown, open it up, and close it up that way. Now, it looks like there's a seamless look from one end of the bracelet to the other side, other than having seen this folding crown, concealed crown. You can go for an oyster bracelet if you like, the sportier look. That bracelet has an extension that the Jubilee bracelet on this watch does not have. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall, this is a watch that a lot of ladies would like to keep on their wrist, or is a second watch for the stable. This works as a very good everyday wear watch due to its wearability. The Jubilee bracelet is very comfortable on the wrist. And also that it's an automatic. It has a date and a second hand. Those are all things that you're looking for in an everyday wear watch. Now you can match this watch with most colors. I mean, you can dress it up to the nines, wear a dress, or you can just wear it as an everyday watch. Even t-shirts and shorts would work with this. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 278273. This is the Rolex Datejust 31, stainless steel and yellow gold, white Roman dial with a two-tone Jubilee bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.